All right, we're going to take a look at Mr. Grahada's homework. He had questions 1 through 4. I'm going to go ahead and just do one per video. So looking at number 1 right here, we need to make sure first that we're looking to step 1 factor, step 2 simplify on both sides. So our 5, is it factored? Yes. 2r squared minus 12r, is it factored? No. So we need to factor that, which gives us 5 over 2r, r minus 6. Okay? We just found GCF. We need to know how to do that. Just found GCF. Minus 4r written as a fraction is what? 4r over 1. Right? Exactly. That's exactly what it is. So, is it written as 1? Well, now, can I simplify any of these? No. Can this be simplified? No. So we factored and we simplified. Now we need to jump to actually doing it. Okay? We need to make sure that both of our denominators are the same for us to be able to subtract them, because that's what we're doing here. We're subtracting. So are they the same? No, they're not. So what do we have to do? We need to multiply this denominator over here and this denominator over here. So right here, this is a big denominator. We're going to have a big answer, I can already tell. So we have 2r, r minus 6 over 2r, no. Okay, almost messed up there. So we have 1 over 1 times 5 over 2r, r minus 6. Okay, that's that side. How far away? I think it's a little bit far away, so I'm going to zoom in a little bit. There we go. Minus, we have 4r over 1 times, this is where it's going to get kind of big here. We've got to multiply this side by this denominator, which would be 2r, r minus 6, 2r, r minus 6. Well, all these times 1 is going to give us the exact same thing, which is equal to 5 over 2r, r minus 6, minus, well, this is going to be easy. 1 times this is going to give us 2r, r minus 6. Here's the fun part. We multiply these together. Well, 4r times 2r gives us 8r squared, r minus 6. Okay. Now, it looks like we need to, are we done here? No, we're going to have to subtract. Our denominators are the same, so we can subtract now. But it looks like we still need to distribute this numerator on top. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that over here on the side. So I have 8r squared, r minus 6. Alright, so 8r, that's going to give us 8r to the third, and that's going to give us minus 48r squared. So when you distribute, that's what you get there. So kind of looking over here, looking back, we're going to have on top 5 minus 8r to the third, right? That minus and that. And then that minus times that would be a positive 48r squared over 2r, r minus 6. And again, this would actually be the correct answer. If you want to write it in standard form, it would be, you would start with your highest exponent, which is 8r to the third, and you go down 48r squared plus 5 over 2r, r minus 6. My question was pretty packed. I don't know if you'll see one like that on your test. That's going to be that difficult, but it's definitely good to know how to do it, and now you do, based upon how I just showed you.